welcome back for our third Digital Tech Talk. I'm Nathan Brunel, and I'm here today at our Jacksonville factory with two of our field service training technicians, Jim Craner and Gene Hinman. And today we're going to talk about how our digital products and digital technology has evolved, and more people every day are starting to use this advanced technology in what we do. Today we're going to talk about how our field service team here is using it to train our channel partners and our technicians in the field so we can be the most advanced technology group out there. You know, Jim, we're here today in the Jacksonville factory, and behind us you can see some of our equipment. It's a world-class facility with this Barbie test stand and all the other equipment we have here to train our teams on field maintenance and valve repair. And our GTCs are some of the best in the field because of it. Can you tell us a little bit about the factory here and how we use this equipment?
Yes, sir. And that's correct. We have some of the best GTCs in the world. Our training at this facility helps each and every one of those individuals build our valves, repair our valves to like new standard every time they go out. So even though that valve has been out in service for 20 years, we bring it in and we rebuild it to new standard. That's our requirement. What we can do at this facility, we can service them, we can test them, we can teach all of our GTCs and our marks how to build the valves the same way every time. And it's that consistency that we give our customers.
Great, yeah, not only is this site great for safety and making it a great work environment, but it's also world-class for capability with the equipment and hardware. Now, I know we're working right now on the next investment. We're building out our computer lab for some advanced training that we're doing. And I think a lot of people understand Consolidated is not necessarily a digital valve, but digital products still apply to Consolidated. Can you share with us a little bit about how we're going to use some of this digital training to make our technicians more advanced with the Consolidated product?
You're correct. We don't have the digital positioners and we don't have real-time feedback to the control room. But what we do have is a product called ValveKeep, and we teach our students how to use that ValveKeep software even better. And what they do is when the valve comes in for service, they take it apart. They'll take pictures right off the bat of the condition of that valve, and they can provide those pictures to the customers and help better explain why they had to replace the spindle or why they had to replace the disc in the valve. And for customers, a lot of it is cost. Well, our valves are designed to last a long time. Every repair is built to new standard. And with the ValveKeep software, we're able to track, record, measure how long the life of that service valve is used for.
Yeah, thanks, Jim. You know, even our Consolidated valves that are sometimes as simple as a spring are differentiated in the marketplace because we have the digital tools like ValveKeep that no one else can equal. It's a great story when we're talking to our customers. Now let me turn over to Gene here a bit. Gene is our Mason-Nealon field service expert, and he does a lot of Mason-Nealon training. And Gene, you know, in this facility, we're building a new room out front for our advanced digital training and demo lab. I think this is going to be a big step for Mason-Nealon, show all of our capabilities. Maybe you can share with us a little bit about how we're going to use this for training.
And you're correct. With our Mason-Nealon products, I mean, we capture signal, we capture all the history of the valve. We can track that using ValveView. And now we're introducing Valve Aware. And with the new digital class, we're going to have the holographic valve that we'll be able to look at. We'll be connected to our Valve Aware program. And we'll be able to see, as it's going through cycles, problems it may be having. It may be getting stuck for whatever reason. We can see that, and we can predict what we need to do to that valve and train. And when training the new technicians, it allows them the capability to connect to a valve in the field and look at it and diagnose problems that it could be having internally, without having to pull the valve out of service. And in turn, that's going to save the customer a lot of money. It'll save them on downtime and predictability as far as what they need for their next outage that's coming up. So it saves them time and money. And as we know, the world's going digital, And that's what we're teaching our technicians. The Mark Centers are sending their guys here so they can become digital experts and they can troubleshoot valves and help the customer become better and be more productive. And with the new valve aware that we have, we just purchased a new valve scope machine, which will help with troubleshooting along with valve aware, and it'll train the technicians to be even better at their job, which it will also be used as a Mark Center. They can use it in the field, but in training we'll show them how to use it and what to look for and how to troubleshoot and how to read the reports.
Great. Yeah, perfect. Thanks, Gene. You know, the tools we have now are going to save our customers a ton of money. If there's a problem in the field, they don't necessarily have to take the valve apart to find it. We have training now that's going to teach our teams how to diagnose it without even servicing it. And then we can have a plan of attack that could better be prepared to help that customer and keep them online. There's a lot of great ideas, a lot of great technology coming this year. It's going to be exciting launching and training people on this. And I ask everybody to keep coming back, listen to our digital tech talks. We got more great stuff coming ahead. And thank you.